Muscle building looks hard, especially in a short period, but it is not impossible to go from this to this in 6 months. Actually, I've done this before. Hey guys, my name is Ali, and I've been into fitness and personality development for over 3 years. I went from 25% body fat to less than 15% in just 6 months. After trying so many workout and diet routines, I came up with one that is really simple to adapt and got me results really fast. Plus, I use a Google Sheet template to track my daily routine, and I will be giving my personal tracker sheet for free in this video. You can get access to the sheet down below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, I will tell you how to use that effectively, so stay to the end. Before starting the 6-month challenge, it is really important to understand your body fat percentage. The V-shaped body is not just about building muscle, but also about reducing body fat to reveal those muscles. This image depicts body fat ranges from 8% to 40%. Now, 8% body fat is ideal for a V-shaped body, but it is really hard to achieve. So anything between 10 to 12% is a good goal to set. Once you've assessed your body fat, the next step is focusing on the right muscles. The V shape is achieved by developing the upper body while keeping the waistline lean. The primary muscle groups to target are the back, shoulders, arms, abs, and chest. Strengthening these areas will help create a broad, muscular upper body contrasting with a narrower waist. I'm sure you heard about the push-pull leg workout routine, but we will make some changes to it. Instead of push-pull legs 2 times a week, we'll do push-pull abs and then push-pull legs. From 7 days a week, the first day will be push day, then pull day, and then abs day. On the 4th day, we again start with a push workout and then a pull and legs workout. 7th day will be the rest day. But before that, let's talk about the weight you will begin with and when to add more. Start with a weight that allows you to complete the set with proper form but feels challenged by the last few repetitions. If you are a beginner, I recommend starting with 20 to 30 pounds per dumbbell or 40 to 60 pounds on a barbell for compound exercises like bench press, squats, and deadlifts. If you are an intermediate, start with 40 to 50 pounds per dumbbell or 80 to 100 pounds on a barbell for the same exercises. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight gradually. I suggest you increase the weight by 5 to 10 pounds every 3 weeks, depending on how comfortable you are with your current weight and whether you can complete all sets with good form. We basically have 4 workout routines that have to do every week. They are push, pull, abs, and legs. In a push workout, we will focus on the chest, shoulders, and triceps. We will do 3 exercises for the chest, 2 for the shoulders, and 2 for the biceps. Begin with the incline barbell bench press, where you will do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next, move on to the dumbbell bench press, performing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. The last exercise for the chest I recommend is cable crossover. Do 2 to 3 sets with 12 to 15 reps. After that, work on your shoulders with the seated dumbbell press, doing 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Follow up with the dumbbell lateral raises for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps to really shape your shoulders. For triceps, my favorite is cable tricep pushdown and single arm cable tricep extension. You can do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for both of them. On the pull day, focus on pulling movements that target your biceps and back. We will do 4 biceps exercises and 3 back ones here. For biceps, start with the dumbbell curl. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps in each set. The second exercise you can do is concentration curl with the same reps and sets. The third one is the easy bar curl. Do 2 sets for 12 to 15 reps each. The last exercise for biceps, and my personal favorite, is machine bicep curl. You can do 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps of it. And for the back, you can do lever row machine, single arm dumbbell row, and lat pull down with a close grip. For each exercise, you can start with 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. On the abs workout day, we will only do exercises that target abs muscles. We will start with 6 different abs exercises with 3 to 4 sets each. You can do bicycle crunch and then standard plank for 30 to 45 seconds minimum in the beginning. Next will be the cable wood chop, Russian twist, mountain climbers, and last but not least, toe touches. These 6 exercises will hit every particular muscle around your belly area. On legs workout day, you'll have to do 4 to 5 different exercises to target specific leg muscles. Start with barbell back squat, doing 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps to target your quads and core. The second exercise that you can do is leg press for 3 sets and 8 to 12 reps. Next, move to leg extensions for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps to isolate your quadriceps. Then, do leg curls for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps to target your hamstrings. Finish up with standing calf raises, doing 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps to build strong calves. 1 day in a week should be for your rest. It is as important as working out. It allows your muscles to recover and grow. Use this day to relax, stretch, or engage in light activities like walking or yoga. Proper rest helps prevent injuries and ensures you're ready for workouts next week. One thing I want to mention is that you can change the exercise I've shared. And to be honest, I also changed to something others. Along with the tracker sheet, you can also find all my personal exercises for each muscle. To get a V-shaped body, you not only have to work out, but also need to have a diet that has the right balance of protein, carbs, and calories. This will give you the energy for your workouts, help you build muscle, and keep your body fat in control. I'll share 8 great meals that you can choose from based on what you like. So, meal number 1. You can start your day with a grilled chicken breast with quinoa and steamed broccoli. For this meal, use 150 grams of raw chicken breast, 60 grams of dry quinoa, and 100 grams of broccoli. This combination gives you about 40 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and 450 calories. The chicken is lean, helping you build muscle without adding excess fat, while quinoa gives you healthy carbs to keep you energized, and broccoli adds fiber and essential vitamins. Meal number 2. For breakfast, you can also have an egg white omelette with spinach, mushrooms, and whole grain toast. For this meal, use 4 egg whites and 2 whole eggs, 50 grams of spinach, 50 grams of mushrooms, and 1 slice of whole grain toast, which is about 30 grams. This breakfast option gives you about 36 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, and 450 calories. Egg whites are low in fat and high in protein, perfect for building lean muscle, while spinach and mushrooms add vitamins and minerals. Meal number 3. You can also start with salmon with brown rice and asparagus for lunch. For this meal, you'll need 150 grams of raw salmon paired with 75 grams of brown rice and 100 grams of asparagus. This meal offers around 35 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbs, and 500 calories. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and reducing inflammation. Brown rice is a good source of complex carbs, and asparagus is low in calories but high in nutrients. Meal number 4. Tuna salad is a light but filling meal. To make it, use 150 grams of canned tuna, 100 grams of mixed greens, 50 grams of cherry tomatoes, 50 grams of cucumbers, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This combination gives you around 30 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs, and 350 calories. Tuna is a lean protein source rich in omega-3s, and the mixed greens and vegetables add fiber and essential vitamins. Now meal number 5. You can have cottage cheese with pineapple and walnuts when you want to eat something light. You will need 200 grams of cottage cheese, 80 grams of pineapple chunks, and 20 grams of walnuts. This simple snack offers around 20 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbs, and 300 calories. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly, providing your muscles with a steady supply of protein, while pineapple adds sweetness and vitamin C, and walnuts offer healthy fats. Meal number 6. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds is another nutritious snack. To prepare it, measure 200 grams of Greek yogurt, 50 grams of mixed berries, and 20 grams of almonds. This combination provides around 20 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, and 350 calories. The Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, while the berries add natural sweetness and antioxidants, and the almonds provide healthy fats. Meal number 7. A protein smoothie is a quick and nutritious option. You will need 1 scoop of whey protein, which is about 30 grams, 1 medium banana, which is about 120 grams, 50 grams of spinach, and 200 milliliters of almond milk. This smoothie provides about 25 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, and 300 calories. Whey protein is excellent for muscle recovery. and the banana adds natural sugars and potassium, while spinach provides extra vitamins without adding many calories. Meal number 8. For a satisfying dinner, try a chicken and vegetable stir-fry with cauliflower rice. To prepare this meal, measure 150 grams of chicken breast, 150 grams of mixed vegetables, and 150 grams of cauliflower rice. This meal provides about 35 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbs, and 400 calories. Every day, you have to intake particular protein and calorie amounts. For protein, calculate your weight and multiply the number with 2. This is how many grams of protein you have to take daily. For example, if your weight is 75 kilograms, you have to take 150 grams of protein daily. For calorie count, you can use any online calorie counter. You just have to provide some basic information and it will tell you how many calories you should eat daily. You now have a workout plan and perfect diet option. It is time to be disciplined and you will see results in the next 6 months if you start today. And to be disciplined, I'm giving you my personal daily workout routine tracker for free. Just click the link below and get access to the sheet by entering your email. You can't edit this one, so make a copy of it by clicking File and Make a Copy. Name the sheet to whatever you want and you're good to go. This is a simple tracker that only takes 2 minutes daily to track. In the second row of the first column, put the date you want to start this challenge and drag all the way to the end of the sheet to set all dates. Second column is just days, so you know how many days you cover and how many remain. The third column is the exercises day we have covered before, from push-pull abs to push-pull legs. The fourth column is the status of everyday workouts. If you do the workout on a specific day, mark it as done, otherwise, leave. And I'm sure that will never be the case. The next 3 columns are very important. In the protein intake column, you still see a bunch of options in the drop-down. Calculate your daily protein intake and pick the options that you have to take that day. Similar case with the calories. How much do you take that day and pick the option that matches. In the increased weight column, you have to choose the weight you have added to your workout routine compared to the previous week. This meant the first would be set as none and then whatever weight you will increase in your regular routine. If you're still watching this video, I can clearly see how passionate you are about working on your physique. It is now just a routine you have to follow, and you will have the perfect V-shaped body you always dreamt of. Commit to yourself now, access the Google Sheet, and start working on getting your dream body.